So over here in this question here, y equal to 2x plus 4, x minus y equal to minus 1. Other pair that satisfies system of equations is quite simple. Just simply solve it using any method you feel like solving. For me, I use a substitution method. X equal to minus 1 plus y. Anywhere I see x, I'm going to just drop it in here. So I have y, I have y equal to 2 into minus 1 plus y. That'll give me minus 2 plus 2y. Minus 2 plus 2y plus 4. Okay, so minus 2 plus 4 will give me 2. So I have y minus 2y is equal to, say, that minus 2 plus 4, which is 2. Okay, y minus 2y equal to 2. Y minus 2y, that's 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So minus y equal to 2. That means 2 is definitely y is equal to minus 2. And the only thing I'm seeing here where y is minus 2 is this one. So definitely this is the answer. But let's just confirm that. So x minus 2 equal to minus 1. X minus 2. So x minus or let's just subtract in here. That's x equal to minus 1 minus 2. So x equals to minus 3, and that's it. So B is the answer here. Okay, just put it in here. Just inserted minus 2 in here. I'm done. Okay, so let's move to the next one. So here you have 1 over 2x plus y equal to 1 and minus 2x minus y equal to 5. They said it's a solution to the system of equations above. If xy is solution to the system of equations above, what is the value of x plus y? So I just need to find x and y, then add them together, and you can easily do this. Thus you can use substitution method. Substitution method is the best here, where you just simply do, here you have 1 over 2x plus y equal to 1. And if it's a solution to the system of equation above, what is the value of x plus y? So all I need to do is make y as a vector formula here. We have y equal to 1 minus 0.5x. You can use fractions, of course. Okay, if you are good with fractions. 1 minus 0.5x. Then you have minus 2x minus y equal to 5. I'm going to just drop it in here. I'll have minus 2x minus into 1 minus 0.5x, but I'll just multiply it at once. Minus times this will give you minus 1, and minus times this will give you plus 0.5x. Okay, and it's equal to 5. Now minus 2x plus 0.5x is definitely minus 1.5x. So you have minus 1.5x here is equal to 5 plus 1. Plus 1, that's 6. So x is equal to 6 over 1.5. Negative 1.5, not just 1.5. 6 over negative 1.5. If you solve that 6 over negative 1.5, you're going to be having 4. So x equal to minus 4. Okay, x equal to minus 4. Now from x equal to minus 4, put it here. That's minus 4 over 2, which is minus 2, plus y equal to 1. Equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 plus 2, that's 3. Okay, so y is 3. So now we say you add them, x plus y, and that's minus 4 plus 3. Minus 4 plus 3 will give you minus 1, and that's your answer there. Alright, let's move to the next one. So you have number 3, 2x minus ky equal to 14. The same, the system of equations above, k is a constant and x and y are variables. For all values of k with the system of equations have no solution. Now remember, for it to have no solution, means the slope are the same but the intercepts are different. The slope are the same but the intercepts are different. We're going to try that now. So we're going to put it in intercept form. The first thing is to put it in intercept form. We're going to write it in intercept form, and when we want to write it in intercept form, it's going to be minus ky is equal to or let's just arrange it. Let's keep it up. Let's arrange it properly. It's, we'll rather move ky to the other side. So we have 2x minus 14 equal to ky. Okay, and if you want to make y separate formula, you just get 2x minus over k, okay, minus 14 over k is equal to y. You have that. Now let's do the other one. The other one is 5x minus 2y equal to 5. So make that in this form. You have 5x minus 5 is equal to 2y. You divide everything. You have 5 over 2x. Okay, 5 over 2x minus 5 over 2 equal to y. Now remember, if they have no solution, these slopes are the same. So 2x over k, that's 2x over the slope is 2 over k and 5 over 2. So 2 over, we have to make them equal. Okay, but the intercept, these are the intercepts. They can be any value. We don't care about the intercept. It's the slope we care about. So we have 2 over k is equal to 5 over 2, and then we can crisscross this to get our answer. Okay, 2 times 2 will give you 4 equal to 5k. Okay, when you solve this, 4 equal to 5k, and that means k is equal to 4 over 5. Alright, k is equal to 4 over 5. That's your answer. K is equal to 4 over 5. Alright, remember this. When it has no solution, equate the slopes, but the intercepts are not the same. The slopes will be the same, but the intercepts are not the same for it to have no solution. Alright, let's clear this up and move to the next one. Alright, here we have which of the following systems of equations, I'll give you back. Which of the following systems of equations have infinitely many solutions? Now remember the rule for infinitely many solutions. It says that if it has infinitely many solutions, your equations will be equivalent. Your equations are equivalent in that your slope m are the same and intercept c are the same. So you look at these equations, which of them are their slopes equal? Look at it very well. Which of them are their slopes equal and their intercepts equal? You look at this one, the slope of this one is 1 and the slope of this one is 1. Their intercepts are both 1, so this is the answer. If you look at this one, the intercepts are not the same. But look at this one, the intercepts are the same, but their slope, this is 3 over 2 over 3. So the intercepts are not, the slopes are not the same, but the intercepts are the same. So this is the only one that the slope and intercept are the same. Number 4. Remember that the slopes and the intercepts are the same if they have infinitely many solutions. Let's move to the next one. So here the question says ax minus y equal to 0, x minus by equal to 1. In the system of equations above, a and b are constant and x and y are variables. If the system of equation above has no solution, what is the value of a dot b? Now remember, if you say if they have no solution, that your slopes are the same but the intercepts are not the same. So we want to find a way for their slopes to be the same. So the first thing we do, remember, we write it in intercept form. Ax minus y equal to 0. You're going to have ax equal to y. Ax equal to y. And then over here we have x minus 1 is equal to by. Divide everything by that we have x minus 1 over b, that's x over b minus 1 over b equal to y. Now if you look at it, this ax and x over b got to be equal for this to say it has no solution. So this is because this is the slope, this is the slope, so we're gonna go this way. We're gonna have ax is equal to, sorry, a is equal to, not ax, because the slope is just a here, while the slope is just 1 over b here. So we have a is equal to 1 over b. Okay, a is equal to 1 over b. Now very intuitively they said what is the value of a dot b? That's a times b. When you see dot, it's times, so cross this is a times b, a dot b. So a dot b is equal to 1. Okay, remember that's another rule too, to know this, a dot b equal to 1. So that's it. Now remember, when it comes to this, when it comes to having no solution, their slope, if you multiply the slopes, if you have the two slopes, if the slopes are equal, then if you divide the slopes you get 1. Dividing the slopes give you 1. Okay, like a divided by 1 over b, you still get 1. So a divided by 1 over b is a times 1 over b over 1, so that is to give you 1. Okay, dividing the slopes give you 1 if they have no solution. That's another thing. Or the slopes are equal. If the slopes are equal, then dividing it will give you 1. Same thing. So that's it. I hope you understand it. Let's go to the next one. Here this question says, in the system of equations above, a is a constant and x and y are variables. For all values of a, will system equations have infinitely many solutions? So you have 2x minus 1 over 2y equal to 15, x minus 1 over 3y equal to 10. So a is a constant, so we want something that have infinitely many solutions. I remember the last one we did, when you said infinitely many solutions, we're saying that their slopes and their this thing are the same. The slopes and their intercept are the same. So the main thing we're going to do, we're going to write this in a different form, and we're going to make sure the slope and the intercept look like each other. So let's go. The first step we'll do is to multiply everything by 2 to clear out y here. So we're going to have 4x is equal to 4x minus y, rather. 4x minus y is equal to 30. Multiply everything by 2. So move it, you have 4x minus 30. 4x minus 30 is equal to y. Here we have our slope and our intercept. Okay, and then let's do this. Multiply everything here by 3. We have 3ax minus y, okay, is equal to 30. So multiply it by 2. So if you do that, you're having 3ax minus 30 is equal to y. So here you can see that this is minus 30 and this is minus 30. Look at these two equations, minus 30 and minus 30. The intercepts are now the same, so you want the slopes to be same. So 3ax is equal to 4x, so 3a is equal to 4. So let's see what a will be. 3a is equal to 4, so a will be equal to 4 over 3. Okay, a is equal to 4 over 3 because 3x equal to 4x. So for their slopes to be the same, then a equal to 4 over 3. That's as simple as it gets. Okay, this will be the end of it. We'll get to the next one.